Here's the cab of the D10T. Here. Fabulous parking brake. It'll be off. And it'll be on. We like to keep it off, that way we don't have any issues getting it off. Decelerator down here. Rabbit. Blade control over here. Up and down. Over here. Tilts it. Here's your ripper control. It's right here. Picks it up. That lets it down. Other little button angles your shank back and forth. Got all the computer controls in it. That jazz. Ooh, guys, even got a CD player. Can't mess with money. Put that back on the idle there. Well, that's it. Let the blade down. Let our ripper back down. It is very tempting just to plow about a 4-foot trench through here though.